Peugeot 508 Peugeot Sport Engineered 2021 Long-Term Review. But before we start, please support us by pressing the like and subscribe buttons, so that we can continue to provide information about car and motorcycle news. Also turn on the bell button to get the latest updates. Your support means a lot to us. Thank you. There are few greater assertions of future intentions than the 508 PSE. This is Peugeot's bid not only to bring back performance for an electrified age, indirectly replacing its GT brand, but also to showcase that it really can nail luxury to compete with the big German trio. This saloon is the first in Halo Peugeot Sport Engineered PSE model, but more are expected. What exactly we don't know, but earlier this year Peugeot told us it's unlikely to be a 308 PSE hot hatch, given low volume expectations and emissions limitations. It has another claim to fame, too: it's Peugeot's most powerful production car yet. Plus it arrives as the brand gears up to make its landmark return to top-flight motorsport with a World Endurance Championship Hypercar entry in 2022, making it a prudent time to show what it can do in the less dramatic, mainstream car sector. The statistics, then. The 508 PSE's hybrid powertrain combines a 197 bhp turbocharged 1.6-liter petrol 4-cylinder engine with a pair of electric motors, one with 109 bhp on the front axle and one with 111 bhp at the rear, sending a combined 355 bhp and 386 pounds-foot to all four wheels through an 8-speed automatic gearbox. It has a claimed 0 to 62 miles per hour time of 5.2 seconds and it achieves 139 miles per gallon on the WLTP combined cycle, emitting 46 grams/km of CO2. Its 11.5 kilowatt-hours lithium-ion battery, which happily doesn't reduce cabin space or boot capacity, offers an electric-only range of 26 miles and can be fully charged in 2 hours using a 32-amp wall box. It's those performance and efficiency figures in tandem that Peugeot is hoping to capitalize on with the 508 PSE. It's no surprise that a saloon is focused towards company cars. 65% of sales are expected to be from fleets, but the brand is aiming to attract a new audience of business drivers now that it has a sporty-ish plug-in hybrid on its books. It will need to be good, mind you, considering that it costs £53,995. The Audi S4 starts at about £5,000 less and does 0 to 62 miles per hour in 4.6 seconds still. One appealing aspect of the 508 PSE is how almost everything is included as standard. The only options that Peugeot's website shows are a panoramic sunroof, 870 pounds, a 7.4 kilowatts monophase onboard charger, 300 pounds, and black or pearlescent white paint. Our selenium gray is no extra cost. There are the ample safety systems that we've come to expect on modern cars: ABS, EBA, ESP, ABSD, DAA3, EBS3. I'm just winding you up now, but there's a congratulatory email in store for anyone who can name what they are without Google. Anyway, it's very safe. Slightly more excitingly, there's a 360 degrees color camera, a 10.0 inches touchscreen, many seat adjustments for comfort, heated rear windscreen and, I would wager, almost everything you might want. Outside, there are 20 inches diamond-cut alloys, LED lights and plenty of gloss black details. Despite the 508 PSE being a performance model, the quality and usability of the interior feel crucial to rival traditional luxury brands such as Audi and BMW. Getting into it for the first time impresses. The cockpit is cosseting in the way one expects from higher-end cars, and the mix of leather and Alcantara, plus the layout, lends it a top-quality air. At first glance, it feels, if not on a par with those brands, very, very close. The touchscreen also looks good. Only time will tell whether that equates to a positive user experience. It's instantly intuitive to drive, with quick, accurate steering and unintimidating performance. It feels, in the first few miles, like an easy-to-live with executive car with a bit of added va-va-voom and the benefit of electric-only range. So far, I'm afraid my suburban living might tamper with how usable that electric range is, due to the charging network, or lack of, but while it will doubtless feature in these upcoming reports, it's certainly not an issue specific to this FEF.
Thanks for watching.
Drop a like, leave a comment,
And don't forget to subscribe to watch more videos like this.